honey bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my loves, I have a very small haul video for you guys. I have some stuff that I got after the Halloween sale at Michael's. Everything is 70% off, and I got a few things that I kind of wanted to grab, and I wanted to show you. So it's a very small haul, but I just wanted to, give you a little bit of an idea of what I picked up. So I picked up more of these adorable felt stickers. These are so cute. These are corn candy stickers, and they have the googly eyes. I thought they were absolutely adorable. They're so cute. I thought that they're just adorable. So I picked up more of these. I haven't used them in any of our projects, but I might use this in like a last minute, Halloween idea. So okay, I got that, and then I got a whole bunch of these. I love these twines when they have them on sale because they are just awesome to use. They're great to make bows. They're great to use as gift wrapping. They're just awesome. So I really love when these are on sale, and I love to grab like a whole bunch. So I grabbed these. These were I think it was like $1.25 or something like that. They were like, I don't know, 50% off, or like maybe 60% off. They originally cost $4, and I love them. I love using these twines. They're really awesome to make bows. So I got a whole bunch of these. Let's see, put that there. Okay, and then I got some cockroaches. Yes, you heard me right, cockroaches. These are awesome. These are from the Halloween. They're like actually literally like cockroaches. Let me see if I can grab one to show you. They look literally like cockroaches. I'm going to use this on one of our last minute Halloween projects. I'm gonna use these. Okay, so obviously I have not done my 30 days of like Halloween. It's been really hectic, and it's been really hard for me to kind of catch up, but I am going to be doing a lot of like last minute projects with you guys today. I'm gonna be posting a whole bunch of videos today, and I'm gonna do as much as I can to give you ideas on last minute projects for Halloween. Okay, so I probably am going to be doing another I don't know, about 5-6 videos before the Halloween series is over, and then we get into the Christmas series. Okay, so these are the stickers. These are the ones that I showed you guys earlier. They're so cute. I love them. Okay, what else did I get? I got more picks. I love these picks. You guys know how much I love picks. Oh my god, I was looking for the moon pick. They had like literally no picks left. They had a lot of like Christmas picks and a lot of like Thanksgiving, but no Halloween picks. I managed to pick 4 of these. I don't know how, but I managed to pick up 4 of these witches. I love these. You guys know how much I'm obsessed with these witches. These picks are absolutely adorable. I have 2 here, but I did pick up 2 more. And I loved it. Just love it. It was just so cute. I love these witches. Okay. And then I picked up, as if I need any more cupcake liners, but because it was black and white, I kind of like that kind of contrast. So I picked up these cupcake liners from Michael's. They were like 70% off. And I was like, why not? So it's pretty cool. We could use this always on our next project or next year. I also picked up this biohazardous caution tape for Halloween. I got this for next year. It was only 99 cents. Originally it's $3. I like that it's green, and I like that it says infectious area and biohazardous. I love that. So I picked this one up for next year. Okay. And the last few things that I picked up that I was really excited about, I picked up a few of these. I like these because these are really awesome to use in projects. You can use these in like beadwork or floral, you know, wreaths, if you want to make like floral wreaths or any kind of projects. These are really, really good to use. They're kind of really pricey when they are on a regular price. So when I saw these for like $1.25, I like literally grabbed all of them. So these are wired, and they're 22 gauge wire, and they're really, really good to do any type of project. They're awesome to work with. I grabbed 2 copper. I grabbed one of these, like I don't know what color you want to call it. It's like a fall color. And then I grabbed 2 black. I wanted to literally grab them all, but I, you know, realistically speaking, it's gonna take me like 5 years to go through these. So I grabbed these for now because I thought they were really great. If I do see more on my way back to Michael's next week, I would definitely pick up more because these are awesome to have. And then the last thing that I picked up that I was so excited about was this adorable little this is so, I mean, this is such a cute embellishment or like accessories or like decoration for Halloween. I saw this before at the beginning of the Halloween you know, Halloween day, like, you know, like the beginning October, and I loved it. I thought it was adorable, but I only saw it like one time and then I never saw it ever again. So I came across this and I was like, oh my god, this is adorable. I loved it. It was originally $28 and I paid like $5 for this, literally. So I was so excited when I picked this up. They only had one left and I was like, wow, this is really cool. All the Halloween decorations were gone, literally. There was like nothing left. Not that I need anything, but I was looking for a few things that, you know, I had my eye on, and they literally was gone. Like nothing was left. So I don't even know how I found this, but this is just such an adorable little Halloween decoration. It's like shaped as a little house, and it has all these like little, you know, like potions and witch hats and boots and brooms. So freaking adorable. And then look at the side of it, has like the witch dress with the witch broom. This one has a witch broom with like, I don't know, something here, and then it has some wheels right here. It costs $28 originally. I don't know what's in there. What's that? There's something in there. I don't know, there's something in there. But anyway, it originally cost $28, and again, I got it for like $5 and some change. So I was so lucky to at least grab something, right? Because I mean, literally, there was nothing else for me to grab. And that's it. That's all I got for the Halloween sale at Michael's. I'm going to be doing a Christmas haul video next. Yes, you heard me correct. I got some stuff for Christmas already. I know, but I'm going to show you guys in the next video. And then I'm going to get into last minute Halloween projects that we can do in the next few days, okay, before Halloween. All right, I will see you guys on my next video. Stay tuned. I'll see you soon. Love you all. Get ready for a small Christmas haul video.